Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're doing a what I eat in a week, obviously, and I'm gonna try to make the intro really short. But if you're new, hi, I'm Tristan. I am a professional ballet dancer living here in Germany. I've done a bunch of like what I eat in a day videos. I've seen quite a few people do what I eat in a week recently, and I thought that would be a good video idea for my channel. Now with that being said, I always make some sort of disclaimer on these type of videos. I do want to say that I did not show you everything I ate in a week. I didn't show you every coffee, every tiny snack. I did not show you portion sizes. I didn't say I ate 1, 2, 3 bowls of pasta. I didn't tell you if I had 1 spoonful of Nutella or 5 spoonfuls of Nutella, because ultimately that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is just to give you recipe ideas, honestly, and to show you what I like to eat as an athlete that just fuels my body. It's not for you to count my calories or count my macros or anything, because everyone's so different. What you might think is eating too little or too much might be just perfect for me. So with that out of the way, I guess that's really all I need to say. So this is what a professional ballet dancer eats in a week. Okay guys, I did some weekly grocery shopping. This is not everything I will be eating. I have stuff from like last week, and then I'll definitely be going to the grocery store throughout the week. Usually I get my vegetables from the farmer's market, but honestly, with winter and Corona, I just like have not had motivation to go. And it's so annoying at the grocery store that they wrap produce in so much plastic. Like, why do you do that? I just had some oats, cherry tomatoes, avo. Oh my God, I almost just said the German name. Gherkin, cucumber, carrot, celery, broccoli, cashews, vegan yogurt, some black beans, kidney beans, tomatoes, ramen. Who knows if I'll eat that this week. Some feta cheese for a recipe I found on TikTok, some hummus, frozen berries, quinoa, and some Toastbrötchen. So German. Toasting bread. Good morning, you guys. I am having my breakfast this morning. I have made this on my YouTube channel before. This is nothing new, and I'll probably make it a few times this week. This is my very go-to breakfast. It is overnight oats. So this is what it looks like the next morning. Oats, some chia seeds, and then this chocolate plant protein powder from Care of. And then you put the amount of oat milk you want. I don't like mine super soggy, so I don't put that much in. You stir it in, you leave it in overnight. Then for toppings, a banana, a scoop of peanut butter. I get my peanut butter from DM, to all my German hoes out there. This crunchy peanut butter from DM, the best. And then I put some cinnamon and then a little bit of agave syrup. And that's my breakfast. It has some protein, fiber, got all the goods. It is dinner time, and I'm super excited because I am going to be doing a recipe today that I saw on TikTok twice, and it looked really good, and I always love trying new pasta recipes. It looks so freaking delicious. Insert TikTok here.
Here's how to make it. Add tomatoes, olive oil, salt, and pepper to a baking dish. Then add a block of feta cheese right in the middle. Bake at 400 for 35 minutes. When it comes out, add some fresh garlic, fresh basil, and give it all a good mix. Then add some of that cooked pasta right on top and give everything a good mix once again.
Okay, so let's start cooking, I guess. It's ready and it looks delicious. So we're gonna do a live taste test. It's pretty good. It's quite sour. It's the cheese, but it's good. Like sour in a good way. has a lot of flavor. It's kind of like an interesting flavor I've never tasted with pasta. So anyways, 10 out of 10 recommend this one. I made extras for leftovers, which I always do whenever I cook. So I thought I'd share a little story with you guys. So basically I was on Instagram Live while I was making this, and someone said, oh, you need to go watch this YouTuber's video. He mentioned you in his video. And I was like, what? Like, what was the video about? And he said it was like a marry kill. So I went and watched it, and it was like two gay guys, and I got killed. So that was very humbling. My confidence is at an all-new low. I just think I haven't received male attention in a while, so. Okay, good night, guys. Ciao guys, I just finished class and I made the same protein smoothie as yesterday. This is kind of a staple for me all throughout the week. I just like to have this after working out class because it has some good protein, it has fruit. I'm gonna be having this, and then for the rest of lunch, I'm just going to be kind of clearing out some of the stuff I have in my pantry. So I'm gonna make some rice and some Brussels sprouts, also known as Rosenkohl auf Deutsch. Look at me go, my German, so good. I'm just kidding. So yeah, that's what I will be having for lunch, and I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, I have had such a long day. I did so much editing. I had a lot of YouTube stuff to do. I've just been working all day. I don't feel like cooking tonight, and I'm going to have the leftovers from last night. I'm just gonna microwave it because I'm lazy. I might make another snack or something. I'll let you guys know, or maybe I'll see you tomorrow. I can't film right now. I've had such a long day. Okay, ciao. Okay guys, I'm having overnight oats again. I'm sorry this is a bit boring, but that's what I eat in a week. I don't make a new breakfast every morning. I'm sure you don't either. I will get some other breakfast ideas in here this week. I'll see you at lunch, and I'm excited for dinner tonight. It's one of my favorite dinners I make. And it's been like rainy and cloudy, and this dinner is absolutely perfect for that. Once again, I'm having the same smoothie. I know it's repetitive, but I've been working out the last 3 days, and after a workout, I always try to get my whey protein in, and this whey protein that I've been using has really been working for me. I've seen an increase in muscle mass in my upper body, which is nice. And then I made these little, like, almost like little mini bagel things. It's basically the same thing that I made the other morning, but with cucumbers on top. Now, let me just tell you guys, cream cheese and cucumber combination is everything. The only thing that this is lacking is everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. Okay guys, so I am just having a snack. I'm having celery and hummus because I had that, and I used to have this as a kid all the time. My mom would always pack this in our lunches, randomly enough, but I love this snack. So I'm gonna have this. Okay guys, it's dinner time. I'm actually quite hungry now. This is one of my favorite dinners, mainly because it's easy, it tastes good, and it's pretty healthy for you. It's got a lot of protein, got lots of beans. So basically what it is it's like a chili soup sort thing. So yeah, let's start cooking dinner. I have my chili anyways, so. Guys, it looks so good. And I'm having some rosé, as you can see. As you guys saw, I added cheddar cheese, but you could easily do nutritional yeast, and I've done nutritional yeast. I just had some leftover cheddar cheese from when I made nachos on my birthday. This is such a good meal for rainy days, during the winter. Like, it's such good comfort food. So I love you guys the most. I will see you tomorrow. I'm going to enjoy this chili. Ciao. Good night. morning, you guys. It is a beautiful sunny day, which like you guys know that this doesn't happen often. I'm feeling very happy right now. As you guys saw, I made this shake kind of similar to the other one, slightly different. I'm going to stop at a bakery on the way to ballet and pick up some sort of pastry, maybe something German, like an Apfelschnecke. Look at me go with my German. Part of my lunch, I'm having an orange. Oranges are one of my favorite fruit. I think they're so underrated. And then I'm also having a big bowl of leftover chili from last night. I will see you guys later tonight. If I look different, I literally just got my hair cut by my friend Sinead. Shout out Sinead. I got lazy and I ordered food. I got it from this place called Burger Heart here in Stuttgart. I got a vegan burger. It has like a vegan patty. It has avocado, sour cream. I'm taking off the tomato because I'm not a big fan of tomatoes. And you might be like, wait, Tristan, like your first dinner was basically just tomatoes and pasta. But that's cherry tomato, so doesn't count, it's different. And then I got a bunch of fries and I'm gonna try this cocktail sauce I just bought at the grocery store. So I'm going to eat dessert tonight. Dessert tonight is a Tristan staple. If you already know what it is, then like go comment it right now. I'll show you guys in like 2 seconds what it is. So I'm gonna enjoy this and I'll see you guys later. Guys, I promise I have reduced my Nutella intake. I went like a month without it until the other weekend. I literally don't even care and I'm going to eat this by the spoon right now. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. It's probably not Friday when you're watching this. Oh wait, actually my videos do come out on Friday. Usually I make these vegan pancakes on the weekends, but I was like, you know what? Let's celebrate that it's Friday. And I also wanted to show you guys like a different breakfast that I make. I am having this before class, which should be interesting. I'm sure I'm gonna feel so bloated. Last dinner of the week, because I'm not gonna do the weekend. We wanna go out with a bang. And Natalie and I cook dinner together like once a week. We decided to make like a stir fry, but with a little bit of a twist. I used to go to this restaurant back in Houston and they had a stir fry with quinoa and then vegetables and avocado on top, which is like just so good. So yeah, let's get cooking. It's kind of a weird stir fry, but yeah. Oh my God, love you.
So good.
We are so good. And that was the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found some recipe ideas you want to try. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe. You know, I don't think many people subscribe to YouTube channels nowadays. Go subscribe and also like the video while you're at it. Yeah, and if you guys have any questions, I always try to answer them in the comments. I will see you guys next week. I love you and ciao.